All right, WMC. Whoops, got the WMC there. There we go. This is the video to find the winner of break number 4, which is one of the 15 card MLB card boxes. So we'll check the time, January 4th at 6:19 p.m. Going to go over to what we'll call the raffle and type live. And we have January 4th at 6:19 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Stacy. Spot 6 is your winner. Excuse me. So, Stacy, you have the choice of me opening the box live or giving it to you sealed. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 4th, 6:20 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.